Scientists say successful efforts in the U.S. and Europe to clean up air pollution are impacting the tropics. Mary Marshall joins us now. Mary, this is usually a good thing, getting the air cleaner.
Right?
How's it influencing our tropical systems?
Well, that's just it, According to a new NOAA study, it comes down to two things: less air pollution to block the sun and less wind shear. The tiny particles in air pollution actually reflect sunlight back to space, and it has a bit of a cooling effect. But without that pollution, we absorb more sunlight and the sun's energy, and the oceans are able to warm more. Also, this warming is leading to less wind shear. Now, hurricanes and tropical storms, they don't like wind shear because it disrupts the storms. You can see how that circulation goes in a normal hurricane, but when you have wind shear, it tears that storm apart. So the storms won't be able to grow, will be able to grow stronger over the Atlantic Ocean. That's where these primary changes are being noticed. And it's all in addition to global warming. Now, in a 40-year span, pollution levels have been down by about 50% across the U.S. and Europe. And at the same time, the number of tropical cyclones in the Atlantic has increased by 33%. However, in South and East Asia, the opposite is happening. In the North Pacific Ocean, there has been a 14% decrease in tropical cyclones, while pollution levels are up 40%. Now, in the future, researchers believe that greenhouse gases will have more of a significant influence on hurricanes and tropical storms. And experts say in the future, there may be fewer hurricanes, but the ones that do form will be much stronger. Tony?
Fascinating. I'd never really thought about that. That's fascinating. All right, Mary. Thank you much.